There's 2 birds of prey. So I'm here for a reason. This is the reason. What's up, fellas? That's awesome. That is so cool. Thank you, God. Vulture. Vultures. That is incredible. There's one. Oh wow, they're both there. Oh my God, never mind, there's 3. What am I talking about? That's insane. Oh my goodness, there's 4. I don't know if I got it right just there. Okay, there we go. 2. And there was another pair flying off on the side. Yeah, you can pick them up right there. Perfect. That's crazy. Wow.